cousins and sister ng Mami Tinty na si Tita Raquel.
Hello, Tita Raquel. Hey guys.
It's Polly's first time to watch the Disney parade and look how happy and amazed yung face niya. Alam niyo ba, nung first time kong malaman na buntis ako kay Polly, I still didn't know na girl pala siya. Basta ang gusto ko lang nun, manood ng mga Disney movies everyday. Yung mga Disney princesses movies, sobra akong nahahappy nun. Umiiyak pa ako while watching Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, and many more. Yun pala, girl kasi yung dinadala kong baby. Kaya si Polly, pinaglihi ko yan sa mga Disney movies. Kahit adult ka na, there's still something about Disney that makes you feel like a kid again. Here, we tried the Little Mermaid ride. Sevi did the Grizzly Bear ride.
Oh my God. Whoa! Sevi, are you ready for the drop?
For lunch, they brought us to a private area for dining. Ay, ang cute. May paganyan pa sila for Sevi. Time to eat.
Hey guys. Hello.
Hi.
Who's that?
This is my favorite ride sa lahat, ang Cars. It's so nice.
Say hi.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach.
We also did the Monsters Incorporated ride. Ano kayang iniisip ni Polly?
Buddy, hey, 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 hey. Buddy.
Ayan naman si Sevi na excited na sa indoor roller coaster, ang Space Mountain. Oh, di ba? Sobrang saya niya. Habang kami, nag-ice cream sundae na lang while waiting. There's a cute park here, kaya we decided to explore it while Sevi tries all the other rides in Disney like Star Wars and many others. Kami naman ni Patachi, chill lang dito. Super dami pa naming ganap after nito pero hindi ko na muna ma-share sa inyo. Pero sana, nag-enjoy kayo sa munting binahagi ko sa aming Disneyland experience.